Hey prospective students, this is Brooke, your favorite blogger. You know I'm your favorite. I'm in Chicago and I wanted to do a live blog post for you because it's kind of a unique weekend. I'm visiting my family in Chicago and, well, I'm from Minnesota. They don't live here, but they're here for the weekend. My sister is doing a scholarship day at North Park University, so since Hope isn't that far from Chicago, I took the bus down on a lovely bus line called Indian Trails and paid a small fee to spend 3 hours on the bus, arrive in Chicago, spend the night with my family, two nights, and then go back on Sunday. And it's great. It's really fun to be so close to such a huge urban area, and I think that's one of Hope's benefits. So anyway, I'm here. We had a great day. I went shopping with my mom while Ashley did all these scholarship things, and then we went out to dinner. We had some pretty awesome birthday cake.
Why did we have birthday cake, Brooke?
Oh, because it's Ashley's birthday! Look at the cake.
Yum.
And now look at Ashley. Ashley's filming.
Hello.
That's my sister. So we thought that we would talk really quick because we know that everybody has picked the right school for them. We thought we'd highlight the fact that Ashley and I are not both going to the same school. A lot of siblings do, but I go to Hope and I love it, and Ashley has picked North Park University. So we thought we would talk real quick about why we picked our schools. Ashley, let's start with you.
Okay.
Here, hand me the camera.
Okay.
We're really slick at this. Take a seat.
I will take a seat.
This is Ashley. Ashley turned 18 today.
Ashley has a book from North Park University too. I'm just going to jump right into that.
Give us two sentences about yourself.
I like art and writing, and I also enjoy eating and sleeping, like most people do.
That's great. Who are you holding?
This is funny. He's been with me for a long time. He smells like laundry detergent.
We're just going to move on. Ashley, tell us what you like about North Park and why you picked it.
I like it because it's in the city. It is in Chicago proper. There's a very diverse area around there. You can get Swedish food, Korean food.
It's all about the food.
Not all about the food. Greek. There's tons of different languages.
Mm-hmm.
It is a Christian school, but you don't have to be a Christian to go there, so it'll be challenging for me.
Oh, this sounds familiar. This sounds
familiar. It does
familiar.
sound a lot like Hope. I know it sounds like Hope.
So how is it different than Hope, and why did you pick it instead of Hope College, which is so awesome?
Well, my sister goes to Hope College.
There you go, folks.
And I love my sister, but I wanted to pave my own trail.
Understandable.
Yes. So I picked an urban school, which I really like. That's one of the biggest differences. And
true.
Other than that, they're pretty similar. A little
Yeah.
smaller, though. It's a university.
Yeah.
So.
Nice. We still don't know why it's called the university and why Hope is college.
They have a grad school.
Oh yeah, that's right. We figured that out. Okay.
Okay.
My turn. Okay. You guys kind of already know why I picked Hope because I blog about it sometimes, but I picked Hope because I love Holland and it's a super cute area. It's very charming. But also, I guess a lot like North Park, Hope has a very distinctly Christian atmosphere, but they don't require you to participate, and it's kind of a school where you can search out your faith independently, and you can kind of grow in an adult way in a supportive environment and still have all the opportunities. Plus, they have really good academic programs, and I just felt at home there. So
that's what it's about. It's about being at home.
It is. It's about feeling where you're at, feeling that you're in the right place, feeling like whatever. Anyway, so we just thought it would be interesting to give you a little perspective from both of us about that. Sweet. We have anything else to say, Ashley?
No, not really.
Cool. Thanks for watching our blog post. You guys are the best. Come to Hope. You can visit North Park too, but you just need to pick Hope at the end of the day. All right. Bye.